what's up guys? Caper Couple back. So today guys, actually before I get to that, if you're new to our channel, subscribe, give us a like. And we're actually on our way to Stirling Silver Mine today, and we just got distracted. I had to stop and ask for directions, and this man told me to go check out Grand River Falls, which is just 2 minutes down the road here. So we're gonna go check that out guys, and I'll catch you when we get there. See you in a bit. Hey guys, what's up? So I think we found the falls. I'm not quite sure.
Yeah, you can hear water.
I hear water running. The guy gave us some pretty hectic directions to get here, but I think we found it. Oh, it's the road is not marked. All it says, the sign for it, is number 2. So if you're out here guys, out Grand River, and you're looking for these falls, look for a small white sign on the end of the driveway, and it says number 2. Oh, sorry about that guys, I was holding on to the cord. It jumped my gimbal. So yeah, we're here. We're way out in the country guys, so if we don't hit the Stirling mine today, at least you guys get to see a set of waterfalls. And it's an unmarked set. It's a set that I never really heard of. It's called Grand River Falls. There's I'll let you guys check it out now. There's a dam. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to straighten up my camera here. Just give me a second. There we go. So there's your set of falls guys. We're gonna walk down along the dam here, give you guys a good view. Just trying to straighten my cord in that here so the gimbal doesn't jump around as it's starting to. Sorry about this guys. I know the setup I got is like really weird. Oh, look at this beautiful river. This is Grand River, the Grand River guys. So there's the road we come in. We're parked up there a little bit. It's gated up at the end there, but you can get down here. It's not far of a walk where you park your car.
Guys, this is what Kevin got me.
I'm gonna take the trail here. Yeah, come on. Come on. So what do you think guys? It's another beautiful area. Grand River Falls. Wow, look at that. That's really rapid. It'd be pretty good if you had a kayak. Get in a kayak and fly down that guys. Wouldn't that be fun? That'd be pretty fun. Or a big tube. Beautiful scenery. The guy we were asking directions told us that they spent $1 million building this up. Government come in and spent that much money on this. But it's a beautiful area. It'd be an awesome tourist attraction. So anybody that comes to the Cape guys, come check this one out. Awesome site. Wicked area. So I told you guys there's so much to see in Cape Breton. There is so much to see on our island guys. Beautiful island. Selfie girl. Taking pictures with the camera I bought her. And we'll actually use this too for our thumbnails and stuff guys. She's posing. I don't know, it's not. Oh, I turned the camera off. I hit the wrong button. Get back there. It's been a while since I used this camera, guys. And the flies that carry you away down here. Here, you can get one of me. Yeah, the flies that carry you away, guys. Get it? Oh, that's kind of hard to do. So one sec, guys. I just got to get a picture of us here, and I can't do that. Hold this. Don't hit the button. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're gonna head out of here. We're gonna take a little walk down to the end here, and then we're gonna head towards the Stirling mine. But yeah, I'm glad we came to check this out. Buddy said it was well worth the 5-minute ride up the road from his house, and he wasn't wrong. It was certainly worth coming up to check it out. So get a look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You got a nice little walkway here. I like the way they put the cement into the stone here. It's pretty cool. It looks like what do you call it? Asphalt. It kind of looks like a leftover asphalt or something. Sorry about the gimbal, guys. That's the cord pulling on it. But there you go. There's a Grand River. Beautiful area. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to put my drone up here, get you guys a nice little view of the area for aerial footage, and catch you guys back then. Peace. Hey guys, we're back. I could only get a little bit because the flies are just in abundance here and they will eat you alive. So with that being said, guys, we're gonna head out, find the Stirling mine again, and get you guys some content up there. So with that being said, subscribe to the channel, get a chance to win that drone. We're getting closer, guys. We're almost at 600 subscribers. So tell your family, tell your friends, get them all to subscribe. Leave a comment under the videos, guys. You'll have a better chance of winning that drone. Make sure your post notifications are on. And until the next one,
Catch you later.
bye guys, peace.